recruits. I know it's your first day, but we already need you up and running. I have an unexplained death to investigate. A call came in early this morning. A college student named Taylor Diaz reported finding the body of Anna Garcia. Since we already have an active case, your investigation will serve as immersive, on-the-job training. You'll need to get up to speed on analyzing DNA, blood spatter, fingerprints, digital evidence, and more. A series of in-depth experiences awaits you in the lab before we move you to your training in the morgue, where you'll investigate the cause of Ms. Garcia's death. Forensic scientists, as you'll soon learn, play a critical role in the criminal justice process. When you do your job well, families have closure, and criminals are brought to justice. Now, before we sign off, I must say I am honored to have the opportunity to... Excuse me. Commissioner. Are you serious? Okay. Keeping in the loop. Look, I'll level with you. Our workload keeps growing, and we need your expertise to help handle these cases. There has been another unexplained death. Get through your training and get up to speed. We have got some mysteries to solve. So head to the first scene and start collecting and documenting the evidence. We're all relying on you. Good luck.